Hey guys, and welcome to day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas. Here I have some wooden gift tags that I got from Hobby Lobby, and they come in a pack of 12, but we're only going to use a few of them. I printed these Christmas images from Pinterest. There were just some free Christmas printables. I think I searched vintage Christmas art to find these. And I'm just going to cut the ones that I want to use out because we're going to Mod Podge these onto our tags. We're going to create reusable gift tags that can also be used as ornaments. Now the gift tags were already like a white rustic look, so I'm just going to leave them the way they are. I'm simply going in with Mod Podge. And I'm just going to give each one of them a coat and set it aside and let it dry. Now, once the Mod Podge is dry, I'm going in with my little images that I cut out, and I am going to use my mini press with a piece of parchment paper. And the heat from the mini press will reactivate that Mod Podge and allow our um, little images to stick. I felt like these needed a little something more. I wanted to keep this really simple, but I've got some metallic Gloria's Gold paint, and I'm just going to go in with the detail brush and just go around the image of each one of these tags. after I let that gold paint dry, I'm coming back in with Mod Podge, and that is to seal in that paper. This is cardstock, so I'm going to kind of give it a good little coat. This will also seal in that gold paint. I then have these little red velvet bows that I created for another project and I never used them. So I'm just going to simply hot glue them at the top of the tags. I'm then going to come in with this black acrylic paint pen, and I'm on the back, I'm going to take and write to and from. And then I'm also going to put the year 2025 down at the bottom. That way, when someone gets this on the gift, they can just take it off, put it on the Christmas tree, and every year when they pull it out, they can see when they received it. Kind of a sentimental gift. You guys let me know what you think down in the comment. I think these turned out so cute. They were quick and simple. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. If you liked it, please consider liking and subscribing. We're more than halfway through these 12 days of Christmas crafts. Come back tomorrow to see what we're crafting on, and I'll see you next time. Bye.